Hello everybody, Cece Fox here, and I'm excited to show you this month's Boxy Charm. All right, so let's get to it. So excited about it. I love the card. As you always know, it gives me all the information about how it should be. This palette wrapped in this so that it's super safe. Oh, okay, so let's start. Oh, I'm gonna pull everything out. So exciting. Gosh, it feels like just so exciting, all these new things. So many things that you just, oh, so exciting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 products every month. It's super exciting. Yes. Okay, 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 okay. Up to it. So first, Laura Geller. This is great. I've heard of her forever. You guys know Candy Johnson. I've been watching her since ages. I found her many moons ago when I was looking to be a makeup artist on a movie, and there were no videos for makeup like kits, and she was one of the first ones. There was like very few, and she was one of the first ones, so that was a long time ago, but she helped me get into beauty. And so this is Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, 12 shades, endless ways. This pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety, matte, and shimmering suede finishes for day and night. So, I mean, she is classic. Look at those colors. How beautiful. Yes, those are some beautiful colors. I mean, this one, every single one of these are beautiful. This is a nail polish I always get and never use. So let's see as an eyeshadow. It'd be a good one on the bottom. Oh, what a great mirror. That mirror is on point. So, yes, yes. You probably just saw my setup there. Look at these flirty lashes. Okay, what's next? What's next? Let me go by what's next. Ooh, Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. So it was next. Okay. False eyelashes, 3D Mink in style Flirty. And the other one is, I guess another pair. I guess it says one pair Flirty. Oh, gotcha. It is just one pair. I thought it was 2. Lava Los Angeles. Look how pretty that is. That's like, it looks like faux alligator skin or something. It's really pretty. Lava Los Angeles. It comes with some glue. It comes with the tweezer holders. So that way you can hold the little tweezers, eyelash holder tweezers that you hold the eyelash on it, and you just like kind of set it on there. I do it with my, just with my nails now, but that'd be great. I mean, I'm always down to try all the new. Oh, that's fun. This box is cool. It's gold if you can see, so that's really fun and fancy. Second one, okay, so third, Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Packed with caffeine to firm. Oh my gosh, we have some hydrating, softened skins, energizing stuff in here. Straight onto your booty for soft and firm skin, or mixed with your moisturizer. Oh, wowza. Okay, well, let's smell this, because, I mean, dropping it like it's hot. Well, then what's going on? You know what I mean? So let's see. Doesn't smell like anything, really. That's interesting. Okay. All right, next up, face serum. Clara's New York Stimulating Face Serum. Okay, let's see. Well, this is interesting. This blend is formulated with retinol, adaptogens, and arginine to help improve overall skin texture. Adaptogens, have you guys heard of this? It's supposed to like make you calm. I need to look more into it, but adaptogens is the thing. They're putting it everywhere. It's going to be like the new kale. Yep, so Serum Vitamin E RT, Clara's New York. Targeted treatment. So this is for believing your face, anti-aging, skin cell renewal. Yeah, reduces fine lines. This is great. This is fun. This is good for probably night after you take a shower. You throw this on, or in the day if you're not gonna, sometimes it's a little oily, and so gotta check that out. But I do tell you, and I really love stuff. So I'll tell you my faves in another video. Okay, this has to be the last one. Mana Kadar Beauty. Oh, it smells so great already. Hydration Happy Face Mist. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for hydrating base before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. Wow. So this is for tired skin. This is something that would probably be really great at somebody's office. If you work in an office, you just spray it. It smells so good. Look at that bottle. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Sea Minerals Hydrating Face Mist. Circulation and hydration, leaving you with an after vacation glow all year round. Woo woo. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try it. It's about that time. Let's see. Woo woo. Oh my gosh, that smells beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I really like this. I like all of it. It's so fun. I can't wait to try them all out. I mean, these are going to happen. Yes, this is such pretty packaging. All of them are so great. This is so pretty. We'll have to try these, see how that goes, see how this goes. So exciting. Boxy Charm unboxed. Thank you for joining me, CC Box.